8 Common misconceptions about how food impacts our mood. Health experts and nutritionists share the truth about the most common myths relating to our food consumption and its effect on our mood. The internet is full of misleading myths and common misconceptions about food and its effect on our mood and general well-being. Number 1. Myth: protein is only for building muscles and repair. Fact: protein affects mood and cognitive function and is vital for good health in general. By eating enough protein, you can boost the serotonin levels in your brain. Serotonin is known as the feel-good neurotransmitter because it makes you feel happy and calm. Protein-rich foods contain tryptophan, an amino acid that is needed to make serotonin, a neurotransmitter that affects mood, sleep, and appetite. Likewise, tyrosine, another amino acid in protein, is needed to make dopamine. And dopamine is a neurotransmitter that is linked to pleasure, reward, and motivation. Furthermore, protein-rich foods, as part of a balanced meal, also keep your blood sugar levels steady, which are essential for maintaining energy and mood. So the next time someone tells you to eat enough protein, remember that it does more than just build muscles. Number 2. Myth: all calories are equal. Fact: not all calories have the same impact on your mood and overall health. Calorie counting is one aspect of weight management, but the quality of those calories is also important. Eating only processed and sugary foods, even if you stay within a calorie limit, can harm your mood and energy levels. Calories are not all equal in terms of nutrition or effect on the body. For example, 100 calories from a sweet drink are very different from 100 calories from nutritious vegetables. The body breaks down and uses these calories differently, influencing energy levels, fullness, and overall well-being. Nutritious foods, rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, give more than just energy. They support essential bodily functions and help with one's mental and emotional balance. Number 3. Myth: cooking vegetables leads to a loss of nutrients. Fact: while cooking can cause some nutrient loss, it can also make certain nutrients more accessible to the body. For instance, cooking vegetables such as tomatoes, spinach, and carrots releases more nutrients. Number 4. Myth: chocolate improves mood. Fact: chocolate can enhance mood for a short period, but it is not a permanent solution. Appropriate nutrition and regular exercise are crucial for sustained emotional well-being. One can include bananas, walnuts, flax seeds, oats, beans, almonds, sweet potatoes, cheese, and milk sources to improve mood and emotional well-being. Number 5. Myth: chamomile tea enhances mood and improves the quality of sleep. Fact: high intake of chamomile tea may negatively impact mood, disrupt sleep, and even have adverse effects on brain health. While there is a common belief that chamomile tea can enhance mood and facilitate better sleep, it's important to recognize that excessive consumption, regardless of the time of day, can have adverse effects. Moderation in chamomile tea consumption is advised to mitigate these potential consequences. Number 6. Myth: eating food at night leads to weight gain. Fact: weight gain is more about the total number of calories consumed versus expended, rather than the timing of eating. It is perfectly fine to eat food at night if it fits within your daily caloric needs and you are making healthy choices. However, it is advisable to allow a 2 to 3 hour gap between your last meal and bedtime. Allowing a time gap between eating and sleeping can aid digestion and prevent the food from being stored as fat due to inactivity during sleep. Number 7. Myth: skipping meals has a negative effect on mood. Fact: while a regular meal pattern helps stabilize mood and blood sugar levels, occasionally skipping meals does not harm mood and actually improves overall digestive health. A persistent meal skipping pattern is much more harmful than occasional variations. Number 8. Myth: consuming non-vegetarian food affects mood adversely. Fact: contrary to the myth, the reality is that negative effects on mood are primarily associated with excessive consumption of non-vegetarian food, especially when prepared in an unhealthy manner. When consumed in moderate amounts, non-vegetarian food does not inherently have a negative impact on mood. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.